Hey, my name's Jacob. In this short video, I'll be showing you how to replace your old card readers with the new ones. Starting out, you want to make sure your cable has enough slack. More often than not, this tiny piece of the cable in the red circle will be stuck inside the mount. If you can just wiggle it out, make sure cable's got enough space not to snap. Otherwise, you'll have to replace the cable, and that's a real annoyance. When detaching the cable from the pin pad, be sure to just slowly wiggle it up and down. Don't try to take it out from an angle or else you'll snap the connection. Here's the process in normal speed. Next up, you'll be removing the old mount. I have a special screwdriver with me, but you should have something to take out the old screws, or an Allen wrench should also work. Here we have the new mount. It should be really simple just to line up these two holes in the middle and screw them with the provided screws. Perfect. All right, after the new mount is set up, you just want to take a moment to verify that you've got the correct card reader. In this picture, it shows the site ID on the label and which PED it goes to. In this case, PED 5 would go to register 5, PED 4 to register 4, etc. All that's left now is to pop in the card reader cable, align the new card reader with the mount you installed, and slide down and pop it in place. Congratulations. Next up, we're swapping out the front line readers. Pull up in this tab and this should pop right off. Next, you want to grab these two little pegs, pull down the plastic piece, and it comes right off. You want to take out the cord next. In this case, it was screwed in, but most likely your site will not have screws in the card reader cords. It should pop right off. Next, grab the appropriate new reader for either Reg 1 or Reg 2, whichever one you're replacing. Put the cord in and screw it back in, if there are screws. Next, grab the mount that came with it. It attaches just like the drive-through ones. Just snaps on and pull down. And you should just pop it right in.